Yo, what is going down, everybody? We back again, another episode of The Right Spot with your world famous host, Rob Stone. Today we're in Little Italy, San Diego, California, and we're gonna try out some Italian food from a local, famous local restaurant actually. Barbusa, you know what I'm saying?
And this is our restaurant Barbusa, one of 3 restaurants that we have here in Little Italy. We really focus on authentic Italian cuisine at all of our restaurants, and we really want to make sure that everyone that comes inside of our restaurants does feel like family.
Pull up with your friends, pull up with the boys, you might find a group of homegirls over there, something special, get your little drink, you know what I'm saying? It's a nice little pop out Thursday night, Friday night before the club, something like that. You might find me in here on the low. Hello.
When Blake Snell was here, right around that time, we put the short rib lasagna on, and he came in and he had it, and the man started pitching like an animal. Bro, the rest of the year, he was coming in multiple times a week, bro. Loved it. So this is our Espresso Martini ready to drink in a bottle, and really just to enjoy at home without all the difficulties of making Espresso Martini. So it's a product made with premium vodka, oat milk liqueur, so it's vegan and dairy free. Trying to push the product out and being able to take a little piece of Barbusa at home to your house.
Call me Mikey G if you didn't know. It's my main man, you know what I'm saying? Be holding it down.
So who's having the lasagna? Enjoy. So that's a short rib, that's the beef lasagna. 8 pasta noodles, short rib, sauce, cheese, and a nice bechamel sauce. And then the pasta forno, basically, this is an adult spaghettios. So this is our famous bolognese sauce. It's got mozzarella cheese, it's got parmigiano, and then it's got a nice crusty breadcrumb on top.
Yeah, man, thank you. Yeah, the short rib lasagna. I actually do think I came in here on a drunk night and I went crazy, ate the whole thing. Like, this shit is amazing. So I'm really excited to get back into this.
What do you think? Got the bid ready? He was about to smack it.
I was about to smack this down.
I want some. I'm just giving you a heads up. Before you do, I'm just stopping you before you even get started.
From the looks of it, looks like it's gonna be have a little bit of crunch to it with the little flakes and stuff on top. But visually, it looks really good. There's a lot of finesse. I see a lot of finesse here, but it looks good. I'm really looking forward to trying it. I never really order ravioli or spaghettios like this, so it must be good if it's up in here.
Hey, we're still working on our vocabulary, you know what I'm saying? But long story short, it look good.
Yeah, let me.
Lasagna's crazy. It's not spicy in flavor, you know what I'm saying? With the different cheese. And short rib is just giving it so much freaking juice and just that special touch. I said earlier, layers on layers. It's a real thick dish. Got me feeling full, you know what I mean? Everything's so good. Hold on, I just gotta take a moment and thank the chef real quick. The chef did his thing. One thing about restaurants in San Diego, a lot of restaurants, they don't have the best music selection. But you come in here, music is active, music is right. People in here always looking like they out, trying to have a good time. Brought my son here plenty of times. My son loves a pizza. So it's a good spot for a mixture of anything. If you want to be on the family vibe, or if you come to pregame with your friends, you know, or if you just want a good bite to eat and you by yourself, this is a perfect spot too. I come in by myself. That was lovely. I'm stuffed, yo. I swear. This has been another episode of The Right Spot. Thank you for tuning in. Shout out my boys PJ and Mike and Mikey G for rolling with me today. Like I said, we're in Little Italy in San Diego. Barbusa holding it down. It's a nice day. I might hit the beach or something now. Enjoy the rest of my summer. Holla at y'all.